This is the Schmidt Thompson Valve 2 XL, extended life. This valve has been designed to handle the harshest blasting environments known. An example of that is the pipe blasting industry, where these operators blast pipe using aluminum oxide, the harshest abrasive that there is, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365. In that industry, it is common for valves to fail between 3 and maybe 4 weeks life. That wasn't good enough for us at Schmidt. We took it upon ourselves to study the marketplace and engineer this valve specifically for that type of environment, the results of which have shown us a 6 to 10 times multiple in the life expectancy for the Tvii 2 XL versus any other valve. This valve has proven to be truly the most rugged, reliable valve for any application. The Thompson Valve 2 XL has some unique features that will give you longer service life in these conditions than you've ever thought possible. One of these features is in the sleeve technology. This XL sleeve has an internal wiper. That wiper's purpose is to ensure that the dust and the abrasive stay down in this region where it's designed to handle it. If dust were to migrate between the sleeve and the plunger into this region where it opens and closes, you end up with a mechanical bind, especially dealing with hard abrasives such as steel grit or aluminum oxide. Additionally, there is an O-ring and 2 plunger seals on top of that sleeve to also ensure that this dust stays down where the valve can handle it. Another improvement on the valve is we have added material on the castings in high wear areas, giving you longer life on the castings themselves. A third modification that we have done is in the piston itself. The piston now has a recess in it that helps keep the spring in alignment as the valve cycles, and the straighter we keep that spring, the smoother and quicker that this valve will cycle. The faster a valve cycles off, the longer service life you get out of the valve. Additionally, we have changed our clean-out feature. This clean-out feature on previous valves was a 1-inch NPT thread. Those threads required a pipe joint compound or Teflon tape. Most people don't have those in the field. This plug assembly has a rubber material face seal. No pipe joint compound required. These threads are also straight thread. So as you insert this plug, you are not applying any tension to the casting itself. Simply screw in all the way until the gasket makes contact with the face of the opening and your operator has a seal. Another nice feature of this valve is in the signal porting. Alternative valves, the signal port was on the back side of the valve, to where as that valve was hung on equipment, your technicians had a very difficult time accessing the signal line to remove it for maintenance. By us moving the signal port in line with your blast column, he has much easier access to that control line to drop this valve for maintenance. We have incorporated our VPI, our virtual position indicator, on the Tvii 2 XL. So your operators no longer have to go up and turn this knob all the way down to full close and then count revolutions out to know what setting he is going to have on his abrasive. Simply by him looking at the VPI, which is a direct one-to-one relation to the orifice itself, he can visually know that his valves are set accordingly to his abrasive and his nozzle. The Schmidt Thompson Valve 2 extended life and its unique features give us the confidence that you will experience 6 to 10 times more survival life than any valve before it. It is a beautiful representation of the tradition of Schmidt, bringing you products that give you more productivity and dependability in any lasting environment.
This is an air wash reclaimer, whereas the spent abrasive comes back into here and the dust is extracted back to your dust collector. Your good abrasive falls back down for reuse. This is the single cartridge dust collector. This is a cyclonic separator. All of your dust pulled off of your air wash reclaimer comes into this cyclone and gets spun out of the air and ends up in this trash receptacle. This is your vacuum source, called an inductor. We're taking air straight from our inlet. We're running it through this inductor, which in turn pulls the vacuum off the dust collector, which in turn pulls the vacuum on your air wash reclaimer, which in turn pulls the vacuum on this port, which is connected to the glass to the vacuum hose. We just ran 200 feet away with 75 CFM inductor nozzle, a number 3 blast nozzle in the blast and back head that you saw me operating. And as you see on the video, I had virtually nil escape out into the atmosphere at 200 feet.